Hey friends, this is Mrs. Wolfie from Reading with Beverly Wolfie with an announcement. I'm almost done canning season, and plus the fans have been shut off, the pool pump is off. It's time for me to start recording Little Women at your request. Now, also at your request, I will be reading it on camera. You'll see me mostly like this, but I will also be able to show you the illustrations that are in this lovely copy of Little Women. I can't remember where I got it. It was at a yard sale or something, but it was a gift to somebody. Love Aunt Sandy and Uncle Paul to somebody named Sheena in 1993. So I probably got it at a yard sale. So I'll be reading on camera. I will be showing you the illustrations as we go, but it won't be live. That's all I'm saying. So I'm going to be starting. I'll probably do the foreword and the introduction, or the introduction and the foreword, however it appears in the book first. And then over the next few weeks, you can start to expect at least 1 to 2 chapters a week. Okay? Also, just to let you know, the introduction and the exit that I usually put at the beginning and the end of chapters, I'm not going to be doing that. I'm only going to make the introduction and the exit on this announcement, the foreword or introduction, the first chapter, and the last chapter of the book. That way, if you have a whole bunch of chapters that you want to get caught up on, you're going to unfortunately get ads, because I have no control over that anymore. They've taken away my right to make ads less interfering. But it will be, you'll be able to listen from chapter to chapter with only a thumbnail and not the sweeping introduction, just a thumbnail of the chapter that you're listening to. Okay, that should make it a little easier to listen to, when you want to listen to the whole book or chapters back to back. This is Mrs. Wolfie from Reading with Beverly Wolfie saying, you guys have been asking for this for a long time. And you know what? It's one of my favorite books. So we're going to have a lovely read. Take care. God bless.